Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making liver and the spinach stew. This is a very delicious stew, guys, and it goes well with roti, bake, rice, whatever you want to have this with, okay? Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment. Okay, so to get started, these are our ingredients, and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. Guys, again, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below so you will not miss any of my delicious recipes. So my liver is already washed and clean, and I'm adding some smoked paprika, some complete seasoning, and some onion powder, and I'll give that a good mix. I'm going in with some garlic powder and some black pepper and some parsley. Also, make sure everything is nice and combined. I don't know if you guys love liver, what kind of liver you like, but I love cow liver. So to my pan, I'll be adding some of my garlic chili oil, and that is 3 tablespoons. And I'm going in with 1 medium diced onion. Give that a good stir. Allow this onion to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you go in with your celery and give that a good stir also. Mix well, allow this to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Now I go in with some of my habanero and some parsley, and that is like 2 tablespoons of parsley and 1 teaspoon of habanero pepper. Now I'll add my liver. Liver is so delicious when it is cooked right. You know, no one likes a chewy, overcooked liver. So just keep an eye on your liver when you're cooking. Pretty simple. Now we will add our spinach after about 5 minutes. Continue to mix, and our chicken bouillon. Now here you can adjust your seasoning to your likeness. Here I did add some cherry tomato sliced and a little bit more of chili flakes. As you can tell, your girl loves some heat. Alright. So this stew actually takes about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Super easy, delicious. Like, you guys just have to try this recipe, okay? And if you do, please let me know how yours turned out. Like, share, and comment. Thank you again so much for spending the time with me today. And you guys do enjoy. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.